Alright, let's talk finishing. Noah's asking if I know any drills to work on your finishing, and drills are for a construction site, but for street hoopers, we don't like structure. I'm not trying to make the game boring. So what I do to practice finishing, I just go and shoot, run as fast as you can to the basket, grab the rebound, and put it up. You're trying to get your heart rate up and simulate in-game finishing, because you're never really under the basket calmly shooting like a layup, you know what I'm saying? You're usually full speed to the basket, throwing it up with a defender in your face. So there's a lot going on, your heart rate needs to be up so that you're developing muscle memory with your heart rate being up. Because the whole thing about when you're out of breath and it's hard to make shots, the higher your heart rate is, the lower your fine motor function. If you are out of breath, it's going to be harder to make shots, but that's where that muscle memory is so important. If you practice over and over, repetition, your body gets used to finishing under that duress of the defense and just being out of breath and full speed, So in terms of what to work on skill-wise finishing, shoot the ball anywhere on the court, go rebound, but go as fast as you can to grab the rebound and throw it up. Pay attention to the backboard. Look at the rim before you release the shot on your finish. I think that's the most important part about finishing at the rim. If you don't see the rim, it's really hard to just get lucky and throw something up. The concept really is just keep your heart rate up and shoot as many shots at the rim, sprinting to the rim as you can, and a couple hundred of those a day will get your finishing right pretty quick, man. I hope this helps.